Hi, I'm Scott Chrysler from Cable Prep. I'm here to talk to you about the new Cobra 360 compression tool. This tool works on RG59, RG6, RG7, and 11 connectors. Now I'm going to talk to you about the leverage advantage of this tool. It is the smallest tool in the industry, but it also has the highest leverage. How this leverage is achieved is through the long link design and the floating lever design. What this does is it eliminates all the friction at all the pivoting points and eliminates side load of the plunger, making all the force go directly to the connector. Now I'm going to show you just how much that leverage means to you. What I have here is a measured spring washers that are used in labs to check pressures and testing. This simulates 4 connectors at one time. As you can see, it's a one-handed operation. What does this mean to you? You never use 4 connectors at one time. Well, what the advantage is that if this tool can close 4 connectors at one time with one hand, obviously one connector is going to be extremely easy. It also will reduce any issues of carpal tunnel or repetitive stress injuries that you might see common in the cable TV industry. As I mentioned earlier, this tool works on RG6, 59, and 711. This is a one-handed change. You simply grab onto the dogs, pull them back, and flip them to the side. If you choose to go back to the RG6, you reverse the process, pulling back, putting it back in place. Now I'm going to show you just how easy it is to prep a cable. You install your prep tool on the cable, rotate it forward, rotate it back, remove the prep tool, fold back the braid, install your connector, open the tool, you position the connector over the plunger, snap the cable into place, close the tool, and remove the cable. It's that simple. Another feature I'd like to show you is that we have 360-degree support on the cable dogs. What this gives you is a guarantee that your connector is going to push straight and avoid any crooked connectors. The cable holds it perfectly in line with the plunger. Many other tools in the market do not offer this feature, so there is no guarantee that the connectors are going to go on straight. We designed this tool to have more durability than any other tool in the industry. How we achieved that is we tested it 250,000 cycles at a load of 617 pounds. That's the equivalent of 9 connectors at one time. No other tool in the industry can achieve that.